Well, hello everyone, and welcome to Decorating with Barbara. In today's video, I will be sharing my primary bathroom decorated for spring. So I'll be doing a little cleaning, a little decorating, and then I will reveal my spa-inspired bathroom. So please stay tuned. Okay guys, so I went thrifting looking for a small round table that I could put in the center of my bathroom. I went on a shopping trip and I found one at a local thrift store. Now, if you guys didn't see that interesting shopping trip, I'll link it below. So guys, I brought home this piece and I gave it a makeover with paint. Now I picked up some Behr paint from Home Depot, but I used a Sherwin-Williams color, and the color is stucco. Now I think Sherwin-Williams colors are very nicely, but I also thought the Home Depot paint quality was just as nice. Now I did have to use 2 coats because this material is like a plywood and it really soaked up a lot of the paint. So guys, I've been seeing these modern type tables all over the internet, so I thought this table was perfect to give me that modern look. Now I wanted to embellish the table a little bit more, but I couldn't find exactly what I was looking for, so maybe there will be a makeover part 2. And so here are some of the supplies that I will be using today. And so when I start cleaning, I like to start at the top and work my way to the bottom. So I have my son assisting me with the tub area today. Okay, so next I'm going to start with the lights. And I have 3 sets of lights. And then I'll move to the mirrors, the countertops, and then the sinks. And so the light fixture has already had its bath and it's just sitting there to dry. Alright, so the sinks, the mirrors, and the light fixtures have been cleaned off. And so now I'm going to clean the tub and shower. Alright guys, so I don't have my tripod up here, so unfortunately I won't be able to share the cleaning process, but this is the broom that I use to clean the tub, and that helps me to reach the hard to reach areas of the tub and behind the tub deck. And that also helps me to clean the walls from top to bottom. All right guys, so the final wipe down will be the doors, the cabinetry, and then the floors. And I do like to use the Fabuloso on the doors as well as the floor. All right, everyone, let's go ahead and bring in the stuff. So I'm going to get the room decorated and then I will share the reveal.
never met, babe, if we never met.